Hey, what is up, guys, and good morning. So I have a bunch of new things that I'm actually working on. If you've probably seen one of my latest videos with the wireless dongle that allow you to play wirelessly with any transmitter to your PC, that's one project I'm working on. I'm still working on a couple more projects. Also, I just started the forum that I've been talking about, and it's gonna help a lot of people. So if you have an issue there, just post there, and then if nobody answers, I'll be the one answering everything I possibly can. And I'll be looking for mods very soon for the forum. So someone who knows how to use the forums and who has knowledge, obviously, is a must. And the goal of this later on, I'm probably gonna set up like a little review section in there, and you can leave your reviews and people can leave their comments. And if it gets pretty decent size, I could talk with Banggood and possibly some of the reviewers on there, try to get you some things to review from Banggood. So that's the idea, give back, and as well as have the community just work all together. I'll also be adding DIY sections, and there's gonna be a lot of changes made to it, a lot of new sections added as I see needed and as you guys request, because I can't think of everything right now. Just throughout the days or throughout the week, and when I see people posting, then I'll start to know what other things are going to be needed. So the idea of the forum here is just to help people. So there's like specific sections for how to wire up 4-in-1 ESC. So if you had like a Dal RC engine, and you wanted to make a little tutorial, just some people really don't know how to wire a 4-in-1 ESC. So you could make like a little nice diagram or a little nice picture, post it, and make a little nice post. I'm pretty sure it'll help someone out there. And the feeling when you get the comments back, saying thank you so much, I've been stuck for a while. It's a great feeling, especially when you get someone in the air. So that's something really nice. So it just allows everybody to give back, not just one person to give back, not a couple YouTubers to give back. And RC Groups is a very great place, but holy crap, it has so many posts that it's insane. I don't want to go through 1,000 pages for just one product. So that was the idea of this forum: simple, efficient, fast, specific, and concentrated on the things that we are doing and needing. I'll also have a modding section, all these kinds of crazy cool things. And if you have any ideas, you can contact me. I'll be adding more things to the forum as time goes on, and I just really want to see what you guys think. So if anyone has an issue, go post there. If you want to make a little tutorial, go start posting there. And as time goes on, I'll try to get Banggood in there and some other vendors to also post their products there, and to see if someone wants to see them, check them out for review and testing also. So it'll be a great platform, and it'll open doors for some people, and for other people it'll just be hopefully a great place to find solutions to. Currently it's empty. I don't know if anyone's posted anything. Let me just fix the focus here. I made a little post like not long ago, and it's I don't know, we'll see. After I finish the video, I'll see how many people registered. So yeah, if you have an issue, go post there. Also, there's a little section that's like a news section in there. It's latest flight controllers, and if you're noticing a lot of flight, you bought 3 flight controllers and all 3 of them had the same issue, then go post there. So that'll give a lot of information. Actually, that'll give people a lot of good useful information other than what I could only provide, because the more people that provide, the better the community is going to be, and it's going to pressure manufacturers to do good things that way. So I think it's going to be very good overall for the community more than anything. And that's one thing. What else do we have? Yeah, that's it for that. So I'm working on a couple new projects, pretty interesting ones actually. I'm working on, I don't know if I'm supposed to say it just yet, but it's a little board. You would plug in your quadcopter and you fly. And as you fly, it's reading the input from your black box log or analyzing data. And what it's doing is actually changing your PIDs dynamically through an AI, which is still training. It's going to be pretty interesting. Now, the execution is going to be a little bit different. I'm not trying to go too advanced just yet because it'll take a lot of time. So what I was trying to do is you set up one of the channels on your transmitter. You click it. So basically now the AI is in learning mode. So basically you do some rolls and then just keep rolling. Just roll, stop, roll, stop, roll, stop. Turn it off. And then it'll take all that data in and then do the required adjustments to your PIDs on your roll axis, and then it'll do the same for pitch, but later on it'll just be fully dynamic. Just stick it on there and just start flying and it'll do everything for you. It'll check weather conditions, so maybe it's a little bit too windy today, it'll adjust accordingly to make sure your PIDs are really like almost perfect. which is it's a big project, but it's a really freaking interesting one. So I'm having a lot of fun with that one. Uploads might drop down a little. I'm trying to do other really useful things in the background, and I still have ESC testing. So today I'm going to be testing the Metal 50 amp ESC. This morning I was working on the forum. Actually, I've been working on the forum for the past week or so, and I just think it's pretty much ready right now. Just it's set up. I got a really good dedicated server, so it doesn't lag, and it's just going to be overall pretty quick. So that's something. I do have a lot more DIY projects. Banggood, I'm in the process of talking to Banggood to selling the drone finding kit and the ESC testing kit, and hopefully they seem interested. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm really trying to go for it because they're really useful, and I really want them to be set for a really good price. And I have other things that are going to be pretty awesome as well, hopefully. So yeah, I see that you guys really like this stuff, and if you haven't seen my other channel, for example, the dongle that I showed yesterday on this channel, on the other channel, which is DIY Things, that's the name of the channel, I go into detail into everything. I don't go into detail on this channel so much because I don't know the kind of, not everyone is really into that stuff. So if anyone's really into the other stuff, or just wants to learn a couple new things, or have a little eye-opening moments, you can go ahead and jump to that channel. But if you're not interested, don't go there. It's not for you. It's more about DIY projects, not just drones, it's other things as well. So that one I do maybe once or twice a week. I do some uploads or something there. So that's what I'm doing on that one. How to manufacture, how to design PCBs, how to read schematics, how, all these kinds of things, from basics, from zero to manufacturing, basically. What else do we have? I do have a lot of things still on the way, but customs grabbed most of everything again. So that's really annoying right now. I have the ESC to test, and I'm planning on doing newer ESC testing. What do I mean by that? Well, I'm actually exporting. I'm going to be exporting not just the image of the ESC. Currently, I do this actually on shop.dronemesh.com. If you go into the review section, you can see the pictures of the oscilloscopes of each ESC that I've tested, so you can see in detail. But what I'm going to be doing lately, from now on, possibly redoing the older ones, it's going to be the same exact tests. However, it's going to have basically an output, kind of like RC benchmark, how you can go in and then the website will graph everything for you and compare everything for you. Same concept. And, it's very simple to execute, but I really want to add a little extra twist to it to make it a little bit unique and possibly push it away from shop.dronemesh.com and make something separate for it. That's the idea. And what I want to do also is set up an AI to read this. Oh my goodness, I've just been playing with the AI lately, and it's just insane. Maybe I'll show some new videos on my other channel, because I don't think anybody would be interested here. So it's basically using TensorFlow. So yeah, it's really fun actually. It's really crazy. It just takes forever to train that thing. And well, I think that's it. And there's a couple honorable project mentions down in the links below. Check them out. Those greatly support the channel. That's the reason they're affiliated links, obviously. So yeah, if you could check those out, that would greatly support the channel and help keep the forum going, kind of. And well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in a couple hours. I'll be testing a couple ESCs, and I'll see what else I come up with throughout the day. And yeah, and good morning. And I'll see you guys in a couple hours. Peace out.